Hello my lovelies and welcome back to another episode of Makeup Monday. I am Romina Bianca and thank you guys so much for subscribing, for tuning in, and for hitting the thumbs up on this button if you end up enjoying this video. I would really appreciate it. And thank you guys so much for commenting down below. I always love to hear from you. And if you guys want to chat more, please hit me in my DMs on Instagram or even on my Facebook pages. I'm always available to chat, give advice where I can, and also to be there for you if you need a friend or whatever it is. So hit me up. I want to hear from you. Let's get this video started. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a really nice full Instagrammer slash influencer lip look, which is kind of a craze for a lot of people at the moment, where you don't want to get lip fillers and you don't want to, go too crazy, but you do still want to have that full look in photos. I'm going to show you guys how to do that today. It's something that I find wearable in public, but obviously the more you overdraw it, the more it could look a little bit, but I'll definitely show you guys what to do, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And I have never had lip fillers or anything like that. These are my natural lips, so I'm going to show you guys how to get that full look without getting fillers. So keep watching to see how to get the look. Let's get started. I've got these 4 products with me. I am trying to go more vegan, so I am trying to eliminate more of the MAC cosmetic products that I do have in my life. These are the 4 products that I'm going to be using in this video. It's a lip liner, it's 2 different glosses, and then matte nude liquid lipstick. Depending on your skin tone, you're going to need a different type of lip liner. The lip liner is what we're going to start with first. I'm going to use Whirl for this video because I'm really enjoying the shadows it's creating for my skin tone. These are MAC cosmetic lip liners. So Chestnut is a really good one. Chestnut is really nice because it's a really nice deep warm brown. So if you guys want to use this, it's really beautiful for darker skin tones. Whirl is really beautiful as well. And then we have Spice or Subculture for a bit of a lighter skin tone. These are also really beautiful nudes to use. I haven't tried any other brand of lip liner as of yet. I'm trying to just finish what I have until I can then purchase some more products. I don't condone wasting, so whatever you have, make the most of it and then try something else. That's what I think. Okay, so I'm going to go with Whirl and I'm going to use this then. So make sure it's like got a bit of a point, like you can sharpen it or whatever it is, but I'm not going to sharpen it because I don't want to waste any. I'm like the queen of not wasting stuff at the moment. I just have a little bit of foundation on my lips. That is why they look more lighter. I'm just going to show you now what I'm going to do with the lip liner. I like to just start at the top here. You can see my lips basically are there, but I'm going to go a little bit further on. So you see where there's more of the shadow around my mouth? That's kind of where I'm going to be doing this. So I'm going to where the natural shadows would fall on my mouth. So it's like overdrawn quite a bit. I'll go in and fix this up now. And I'm not gonna go in too much over here. I like to keep this a little bit more inside the lines, because what I want to do is make this part bigger, but I like the shape of this, so I'm gonna keep this a little bit smaller. If you have watched my Bratz makeup look, this is more or less how you would overdraw your lips, but what I'm doing now is keeping it a little bit more wearable. That video was very overdrawn, very insane. It still gave the effect that my lips were really big and plumpy. You can already see that it's already creating that really nice depth to the lips. That's why lip liner is really important. So this I'm keeping more in the lines. Depending on the kind of look you want, you will definitely shade your lips a little bit differently to the way I'm shading mine. This is just what works for me and what I like my lips to look like. For an added fullness, I will definitely put a little bit of depth in the center of my mouth where there's that natural shadow. Next up, I'm using my Essence Color Boost Matte About Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is really awesome because it does not leave your lips feeling dry. A lot of liquid lipsticks can leave your lips looking very cracked once they've dried, but the Essence Matte Liquid Lipstick is actually really wonderful because it does not leave your lips looking like that. You will see very shortly what this will look like dry, but it's really nice because you are able to spread it around pretty easily. The applicator is pretty decent. Now I'm just going to wait for this product to dry. I'm actually really loving this. I wore this just the other day just by itself with a little bit of lip liner with no gloss on top, and I was obsessed with it and I was getting a lot of compliments and I was like cool. And so I'm glad that it looks really good. This product is vegan or cruelty free. Essence is a cruelty free brand. It is highly pigmented, this product, and it's very long lasting. So I'm in love with it. you can see it's busy drying on my lips now. Let me show you. So you can see it's busy drying really, really nicely. It doesn't get too dry when it is dry, but it dries relatively fast, and then it makes your lips look like really big. It's really cool. If you wanted to leave the lips with just the matte lipstick, with just the lip liner, it is still gonna look really beautiful, still gonna look really plumpy, but I'm gonna show you how to, you know, take it to the extra level. Now I'm gonna use the lip glosses. We're first gonna go with the darker one. I'm using Essence Plumping Nude Lip Gloss. It doesn't smell too amazing. By the way, this Essence smells really nice. Love the color. It's a pretty pink with a little bit of glitter, and it's really pretty, so I'm gonna plump this on top. This is a bit of a plumping gloss, and we're just going to apply this literally all over the lips. This is just going to go everywhere, and then you're going to take your ultra nude lip gloss, and then this one, that very nude pale lip gloss, you're going to put right in the dead center of your mouth to give it that look of drawing outwards. The light needs to be bouncing off of the lips. And then from far, this is what it looks like. Super juicy, it's super in your face. I like doing a very glossy lip like this when I have very matte makeup on. As you can tell, like, my skin is very mattified. There's a lot of foundation. So using a gloss like this brings that extra depth to the look as well. Let me show you now close up. Now for an extra tip that I want to give you guys. This is something that has elevated some of my looks or made them look a little bit like, oh, too much. But I'm going to show you guys a trick that I learned as well, just to give your lips even more fullness. I just need to go sharpen my pencil. So I'm a little bit out of breath now. Okay, but let me show you this extra trick just to get your lips, you know, even bigger if this is what you want. Okay. Doing that to your lips, just, you know, extending where your mouth ends, makes your lips look a lot bigger, and it also makes you look like you're smiling a little bit more as well. This is my take on how to do a very nice plumpy Instagrammer / influencer lip look, which is super juicy and semi-wearable for everyday life. I'd say, like, I have done this more often now that I'm in lockdown because, you know, I'm not out in public. For some reason, I'd only wear looks like this at night if I'm going out, but I wouldn't necessarily wear something like this during the day. That's just me. It's a lot of makeup. Unless I'm going to like some sort of event or something, you know, you do you. That's just me. I'm actually just super boring. And yeah, I really enjoy the lip look. It is something that's a lot of fun to do. You don't need lip fillers if you do this. It'll kind of just plump your lips up, making it look bigger, giving the illusion that you have fuller lips anyway. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it was insightful. I hope that it helped you in some way. Thank you so much for tuning in to another Makeup Monday, my lovelies. And I will see you guys in Thursday's video. I hope that you enjoy it. Bye bye, my lovelies. I love you, and I shall see you soon.